here is what happened when I set this for a 6S operation. Let me turn it on first. So at 6S, we turn the voltage up. At 6S, I expect it to cut off at over 15 volt, at just about 15 volt, and turn on around 16, which it does exactly that. So it turned on about 16 and turn off right around 15. I think it's 14 something that it cut off, which is fine. However, the problem here is if you notice that the battery indicator is blinking. It's blinking all the way up. I'm not going to turn it up too high, but just about 20 volts or so. But it's blinking as though that the battery is low, which it is not. And I'm not sure why that is, because when I set it for 5S, the battery indicator works correctly. And it's only when I set it to 6S that does that. I'll go through and change the setting real quick to 5S so you can see. So we have the battery chemistry is lithium polymer. Number currently is 6. I'll change it back to 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. And then all the other settings will keep the same. That's the last setting. Okay, here is at 5S, and as you can see, the battery gauge worked correctly. As I dial the voltage down, it's only that when I have it at 6S that it not behaving, and here it'll cut up at right around 12 volt, like customer support said, 2.5 times 5, which is too low for me. So that is a problem. I was trying to get it to cut up at 15, but then the battery indicator does not work. So I don't know how to fix that. Hopefully customer support can help me with that. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.